Timothy Brown here, CEO of Roy Corporation. This is a video about advice for practice owners. Many owners have come to us throughout my career and said, what do you think I should do, Tim? I'm thinking of getting the practice ready for sale. What advice do you have? What are your top tips? A couple of things that I want to say to the practice owners in this particular video is there's nothing wrong with asking for a referral from your existing patient base. Many practices display a sign similar to this one. This one simply says the best compliment you can give us is a referral. I see these in many dental offices, but I don't see them in all dental offices. It's a simple sign. I had this made on a plaque. We give these away to some of our VIP clients, and if you're a VIP, call me up, I'll send you one. But it's a very simple way of saying to your client base, we're taking new patients. If you're happy here, if you've had a good experience, please refer a friend or family member. All the various research that's been done in the dental professions over the years suggests that 80%, up to 80% of new patients are referred to you by existing patients. Now, with Google and with the advent of social media, I think that there's many new mediums that are being very effective, and I'm hearing that Google's being very effective for many practices and our clients today, but I still think there's absolutely nothing wrong, if you don't have one, to have a simple sign and ask for the business. I'm asking you right now by evidence, if you're watching this video, you're a satisfied client of Roy Corp, could you please refer someone to us? That's exactly what you can do. You can do it as an owner, and certainly your staff, if they believe in the practice, they can do the same. I also want to speak now to business owners who own their building. In the recent issue of my magazine, which just came out today, it's called Profitable Practice, and this is the Winter 2018 edition. There's an article I wrote at the back that I really think if you own a building, you really need to read this. It's about the first option to purchase versus the first right of refusal. I'm trying to change the language that the legal profession and landlords have been using for decades to talk about the difference between the first option to purchase that you can grant to a tenant versus the first right of refusal. This is a very, very important fact. I'm trying to change an industry norm which I think is outdated and absurd. So please, pick up Profitable Practice magazine and read this column, first option versus first right. The 7th edition of my book is out. This is the final edition, final and 7th of Profitable Practice. The book's been out for about 7 years, and every year I write a new edition of it. But the 7th edition is out, and that's it. So I won't have many more left. If you're interested in the book, you can go to roycorp.com or profitable-practice.com. That should appear on the screen before you right now if you want to buy the book before they're sold out. I may write another book, but I haven't started yet. And finally, I want to speak about the appraisal. If you're an owner, a business owner, a practice owner, any type, any size, any shape, not having an appraisal on file is not like having a will, it's not like having life insurance. The business appraisal is now essential. It used to be elective, it's now an essential tool. We have one here at Roy Corp on file. God forbid something happens to me, that appraisal will come into effect. It will dictate to my advisors and my estate what the business is worth at the time the appraisal was formed. It'll tell the people that are executing my will, here's the company to call, you get it updated. It's very, very easy for any appraisal company, including ours, to update an appraisal when one is on file. Every year we have some tragic circumstances where a practice comes immediately for sale for reasons that are unforeseen, and there's nothing ready. The owner didn't leave any direction behind, no instruction on who to contact, what company, where certain documents are located, and then appraising that practice under duress is time-consuming, it's frustrating, people are under a lot of stress and duress given the circumstance, and it can impact the value of the practice and delay a very, very necessary process, which is getting the practice appraised and getting it to market. So if you're a practice owner, please read Profitable Practice magazine. Look for the column about premise leases, first option versus first right. Please consider getting an appraisal for your practice. Those are my tips, early 2018 for you, the practice owner. I'm Timothy Brown, CEO of Roy Corporation. Thanks for watching.